kai ne maza na ga ma fa wannan side za mu shigo din nan na ga ma mutane ne jama'a akwai na ga ma ai kai ka damu da kudin wani transport ɗinka waye
mu je dai mu duba dai muka ga Allah ya ba mu dai labe sa'a dia
that one is not a problem
to shi
kai ka damu da abin
na this place ba mu je
nan wurin bari mu shiga dai mu duba mu gani
to naga bila na ta barewa ba jama'a wajen nan na gya ma site kawai empty ya zai mu koma gida
gashi ko mun ga mu yi spending ba ya hakuri maza ni da nazo an ga mu akan cewa za a fara aiki ne
na aikin yanzu
kai hakuri in yanda aka yi da za a samu kuɗin da za a koma haka da mu
gashi nan ba kowa ga
haka da mu ni na ga mu haka da mu wannan kawai mun za mu samu kuɗin kuma gida
to shikenan mu je kawai Allah ya sa Allah ya ba mu sa
My friend, Sandu. Good evening. Do you stay around here?
Yes.
Okay.
I stay around here.
You stay around here?
Yes.
Okay, thank God. Because I'm looking for somewhere.
Where is that?
General Hospital. They say
I know
it's around
it. I know it.
You know it?
Yeah.
Thank God though. I entered the other side. They told me to follow that other junction.
No, that is wrong.
No. Up.
So I should go up.
You know, if you follow it straight, you go left.
Okay.
I still go left again. After I go left, you now go right. If you walk one away there for that right again, you still follow right again.
But you're confusing me now.
Madam, which one confused
I go
again?
left. I now go right.
Madam, if you don't want to me, I'll go tell you anything.
Okay, madam, don't worry, we'll take you there. But General Hospital,
but he's confusing me.
Left, right. Don't worry, we'll go together. We'll take you to the place.
Together where?
We'll take her to the General Hospital.
Okay, hop in.
Need a cake.
Hop in. Let's go.
Okay.
So I don't understand. This road is really far. You told me it was just around the corner.
Madam, this is motor no get car. No get music.
MUMUNAN.
I'm telling you that.
I'll come down. See malt.
Photo.
Oh, from music is malt.
I beg now.
What kind of road?
I'll come down. No, I beg. Stop me. I'll come down.
Oh yeah, take.
Wait, madam, you don't have AC.
I don't understand.
I'll come down on the AC, madam. You want me to come down?
There's no AC.
You want me to come down? You want me to come down?
Is it fair?
Madam.
You want me to come down?
Stop,
let me
my
come
friend.
Stop, let me come down.
My friend has never entered the motor before.
Stop, let me come down, madam.
I believe you, my dear.
Stop, let me come down.
Because the way he's behaving.
Yes. Is it?
Okay.
Is it here?
Stop.
What is going on? Where are you guys going to?
No, we have reached our house now.
You have reached your house, but I told you.
Go back to that
I told you I'm going to General Hospital.
Madam, can you
Madam, our house.
Can you imagine this wicked boy?
Go back to that corner.